innovation and share LG's forward-looking vision. We are so honored to hear from a leader who continues to champion innovation, meaningful design, and of course, customer experience at the heart of everything LG. And if you are, I welcome you to our event. This is the grand launch of the next generation of LG AI TVs. Let's give LG a big round of applause. Definitely, life's good. Life's good. My name is Robin Domingo, and just like you, I am an avid LG user. Right now, we are standing under the majestic Tree of Life, a stunning design by architect Dominic Galicia. We are basking in its greatness right now. This beautiful structure represents how our country's unique ecosystems, from towering mountain ridges to vibrant marine lives and reefs, are all connected. And speaking of appreciation, we'd love to extend our heartfelt thanks to the National Museum of the Philippines, led by Director General Mr. Jeremy Barnes. Let's give Mr. Jeremy Barnes a big round of applause. There he is. Maraming salamat po for graciously welcoming everyone to this distinguished space. It is truly an honor to celebrate this milestone here, surrounded by the rich history and natural heritage of our dear country. Okay, I know you guys are taking lots of snaps.
Natural history, surrounded by the beauty of Philippine biodiversity, just as we strive to protect and preserve, LG designed technology that not only intelligent, also sustainable. We also remark the 127th anniversary of Philippine independence and honor the freedom to live, create, and connect. That spirit comes alive in our partnership with the very talented and young motion graphic artist Aiza. Thank you very much, thank you. And then whose the art beautifully bridge nature, technology, and art and geology, bring the natural world to life through digital creativity. Thank you very much. Today also, we celebrate 12 years of LG as a world #1 OLED TV brand, a milestone built on innovation, passion, and trust. Our latest Smart Life solution reflects this journey, bring AI-powered, connected technology that make everyday living simpler, smarter, and more meaningful. As a proud Korean brand, LG will continue to make Filipino life better.
Binyan Laguna, whose work blends artistic expression with technical innovation, transforming everyday spaces into extraordinary experiences through light, movement, and storytelling. You would know his work if you just look around this space. Yep. Azaya's work has been showcased in both local and international exhibitions, including Crypto Art Week Asia in Singapore and Art Fair Philippines, where his 2025 solo show impressively sold out on opening day. He has also collaborated with renowned artists like Elmer Berlongan and Mark Hustiniani, continuing to push the boundaries of new media art. His creative vision played a vital role in shaping this collaboration, where cutting-edge LG technology meets artistic brilliance to solve
the Earth's own heart. So my work, as you can see, it's based on a concept called fractals. So these are patterns that we see actually in nature, and I try to use mathematical formulas to create these kinds of work. So the islands, though separated by sea, share a deep and connected foundation both geologically and culturally. Even before we had names for these islands, the ground beneath them was already writing a shared story. And finally, as you can see on your... The screen shows streams of digital rock tumbling, shifting, and dissolving. The movement is inspired by the slow churn of the Earth's mantle, convection currents rising and falling, pushing the continents above, or the islands above. The movement of the stones echoes how our islands, though separated by sea, are connected beneath the same earth. It's a visual reflection of how even in fracture there is flow. Even in separation, the exhibit is titled Fragments. It invites you into the geological heart of the Philippine archipelago. This land wasn't born from a single origin. It came together through drifting pieces, volcanic collisions, and the quiet persistence of transformation. As I walk, I invite you to see this space not just an exhibit, but as a living landscape. Each screen is like a tectonic plate, distinct, moving, but part of a greater whole. So we begin first with where fire begins. It's a piece, there is meaning. In the end,
for you. That's why LGAI starts by sensing and understanding your needs, caring for your life in a way that feels thoughtful and personal. LGAI understands your lifestyle and upgrades your everyday experiences so that life is filled with delightful, effortless moments. From the way you watch to the way you live, LGAI is designed to care for you, your space, and even the planet. So life feels well cared for just as you deserve. Because at the end of the day, we don't just build smart TVs. We build experiences that are warm, personal, and intuitive. Whether it's helping you unwind with your favorite film or suggesting what to watch next, LGAI TVs are made to understand you, often before you even ask.
And meaningful way. This is LG. And with that, it is done. Signed, sealed, delivered. All right, let's give LG and the National Museum a big round of applause. Thank you. Even those kids out there, maraming salamat. Okay. There's a movement for the finger hearts everywhere. Finger hearts. Life's good with LG. Again.
And together with our geology division especially, maraming salamat for being part of this. Well, today we mark yet another milestone in a long-standing partnership that has allowed us to push the boundaries of what a museum can be in the 21st century. We are deeply honored to accept this generous donation from LG Philippines, monitor, television, and screen units, made in continuation of the invaluable support they first extended in 2018 and again just last year. It was great to see the pictures of me growing older in this relationship with LG. Well, in an age where the pace of technological advancement continues to accelerate, the role of museums is also rapidly evolving. We are increasingly expected by all of you to be dynamic, engaging, and responsive. Places where knowledge is not only preserved but brought vividly to life, often with the help of multimedia visuals and presentations. Through this donation, LG Philippines enables us, helps your National Museum to do better and more in bringing our Filipino heritage, our Filipino stories to life.
Technology, they all come together. Again, Director Bards, thank you so much for embracing this vision and leading the shift toward a more dynamic and tech-enabled National Museum. And to Sir Isaiah, maraming salamat for creating these beautiful pieces of art. The first ever digital artist to be placed or to be acknowledged right here at the National Museum.
Productivity, with AI taking care of their routine tasks and providing personalized services. To meet such customer expectations, LG AI TV continuously listens to the customer's needs and take care of them.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us introduce the next generation of LG AI TV, dedicated to you, recognizes you, customizing itself to you, and providing care around you. Feature so you can still simply point, click, and scroll. Diba? Ayun o, here with the shape of the magic mouse.
Magic.
What a truly amazing AI. Parang di kayo namimili. How about a round of applause for the AI magic mouse, diba? So if you want to disable this, you can just press down. Diba, nawala na siya.
Magic.
This is something that is truly unique and very new for 2025.
So actually, when you use the AI button to turn on the TV, our LG AI TV will greet you with a personalized welcoming message.
Sige nga,
Try
Natasha.
natin.
Let's try it. So, to demonstrate the turning on of the button, I'll first turn it off. TV off.
Oh, ayaw nyo naman.
Let's try it again.
Ang powerful naman ng National Museum.
TV off. Once again, TV off. Okay, I will turn it off.
Or the next generation of LG AI TVs. And to delve deeper into our conversations, you know, I am not just a host, okay? I am also an avid LG user. I'm a big LG fan.
Wow, so you have mga LG products.
I have all of my, I was telling AG this a while ago, all of my TVs at home are LG, all 45 of them.
Thank you.
Loyalty talaga. But seriously, I have that LG, and it has been with me through late night chill sessions, been watching weekends and bonding moments with my wife, whether it's winding down or rewatching, you know, either BBB or BGT. LG has really made those simple moments truly special. Well, thank you so much for sharing with us your LG experiences, and we shall have her back on stage once again. Palakpakan po natin, Ms. Mika Reyes. Thank you. Sakto dito.
At saka, yung sinabi ni Coach, no, nag-workout siya, practice, part of it is watching film, di ba? So dun sa TVs natin, OLED and QNED, ma-appreciate mo talaga yung smoothness and clarity when watching game film. Dun naman will shine. Para kang meron kang sariling assistant coach with your new TVs, di ba?
Lalo na 120 Hz. Yung smooth transition talaga, lalo na sa game replays, panonoorin mo yung mga bata, especially on how you as a coach and as a pag-guide sa every time, game for game plan, create a game plan.
Actually, I'm really excited to use this because, you know, we used to watch films. You know, just to share with you guys, you know, we used to watch films. Every day we watch films. We watch, of course, the teams that we need to play. You know, they study. You know, we used to use USB and plug it in a projector, old school style. So now at home, I don't have to use USB anymore. So I'm really excited to invite my coaches at home and then watch the film, especially this coming August. It's really the big tournament for us.
Take a photo of this. 3, LG! LG on 3, 1, 2, 3! LG!
We're really thankful and we're so glad that you could join us this afternoon and experience for yourselves LG's very own affectionate intelligence and how it really makes your everyday life easier. So LG has once again partnered with the National Museum of the Philippines, and it's really and truly an honor.